Hi, I'm District Attorney Jack Daneri. I'm the DA of Erie County. That means that I get the privilege of enforcing the laws of the state of Pennsylvania here in Erie County. I am very excited to be talking to you regarding your senior year project. I've already seen some of you in your introductory videos. I'm very excited about what I see already, about the concept that you have, about your dreams and your visions and your desire to use hard work to get where you want to be. But so you're probably wondering, well, why is the district attorney talking to me about my dreams in senior year? Well, I'll tell you why. I've been in law enforcement a long time, and in law enforcement there's juvenile offenders and there's adult offenders. You as seniors are now moving, if you haven't already, into that adult world. You're going to have your dreams, you're going to go to college perhaps, go to work. Your employers want to know what kind of person you are. Maybe you interview really well and you sit in front of them and you tell them everything you want to be and how good you're going to be for their company. Well, guess what they're going to do? They're going to check your background. And when they check your background, if they see something in it that maybe doesn't make you look like such a great guy or lady, they're not going to hire you. What are some of those things in the background? Well, you can figure that out. The obvious ones, if you've been caught stealing or beating someone up or something like that, and you've been adjudicated a delinquent, or you have an adult conviction, those are strikes against you. But let me talk about something now that's very pertinent to what you're doing with this senior year project. It's about using social media. It's about using your phones, your camera phones, the video recorder that I'm talking on right now. There are certain crimes in Pennsylvania that say if you use these things improperly, you can be convicted. And you're not just convicted of some little traffic ticket offense. In Pennsylvania, if you are convicted of a crime involving any obscenity, it's a felony. If you have a felony on your record, you will not vote the rest of your life. And I can almost guarantee you're going to have an extremely hard time being hired for the job that you want. So again, how does that affect you? Well, I suggest when you're using these cameras and anything else, any other kind of social media, you be very responsible. Remember, you're adults now. You're looking forward, but like I just said, the employers, they're looking backward. They want to see what kind of background you have. So you're adults, you're responsible enough to know that you can't go around taking pictures of someone's bare behind, someone's breasts, someone's other private parts, things like that. It may all seem like fun, but guess what? If you send that picture that you took to your buddy thinking it's kind of funny, but then the buddy's mother or father or sister sees that image on their iPad or on their computer, they're probably going to call the police. We're going to investigate. Guess what? You're now facing a felony charge. Even though it was just between you and your friend, it's called dissemination of obscenity, meaning that you sent something over the airwaves that was obscene, which a nude body part would be. Or if you were kind of simulating some sexual act, can't do that. That's a felony as well. So these sound like all kinds of bad things, and they are. It doesn't mean that you're necessarily going to spend a lot of time in jail if it's your first offense. But I guess my warning to you is this: the employer doesn't care if you spent time in jail. The employer or even the college administrator is going to look at that and say, what kind of person am I dealing with that it looks like a year or so ago they were sending obscene materials through the internet or over the phones and so on, or taking videos. So I encourage you to be responsible, accept that responsibility of being an adult. Within 12 months you're going to be one regardless. Whether you're at your college, whether you're at your job, wherever you may be, you have a responsibility to obey the laws. Here's another thing about the world of video. Video is great for capturing your message, which is what you want to do with your project. Great idea. You want people to see what you see, to feel what you feel, to see your emotions, your highs and your lows. All great. That's the greatness of video. You capture the moment. Here's the other thing about video. Once you've captured it, it's there, and it can be there forever. Now here's the downside of video if you're not responsible, and all social media, whether it's texting, video, or otherwise. If you send those bad images I was talking about out to somebody, you'll never get them back. And once they're out there, you know what happens. You know, you've seen the YouTube explosion. You send it out to your friend 4 blocks away, someone in California can have it in 5 minutes. It's as simple as that. And once they have it, you know what happens. It's like a snowball down the hill. Everyone has it. So there's the other part about video. It's an asset for you in your project. Good luck, that's great. But be very careful about doing the wrong thing with the video, because it's very powerful. And if you send it out there and you send the wrong thing out there, chances are someone's going to turn you in for it. So again, please be careful. I trust you will. I am so excited about the project. I can't wait to see how it works over the course of the year. I will be monitoring you, and hopefully, as I've said before, I've talked to you in your gym, I hope I don't see you truly in my office, but good luck to you all.